nyiso kaka employer onego tigi the employee. Samindiko jatich samindiko ng'ato e tich cha, imiye barua manigi very clear terms of engagement. Terms of engagement nitie gi the terms of employment. Then is there a period of probation? My contract for how many years? Is it permanent and pensionable? Msara monego yudi? All these things nitie barua. So these 380 employees nitie gi barua mochiu from the County Public Service Board. So I can tell you more solemnly, county government mar Siaya idhi chuno gini mon gichul jogi compensation. So if county government mar Siaya okay, very careful to gidhi bedo gi a very serious legal tussle. Nekech kise miyo ng'ato barua ming'ise ni these are the terms of employment. To contract in 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years. Unfortunately for you, terminate contract unceremoniously, without reason, without show, without cause. So it is you who has breached contract. So unfortunately for Siaya County, Oneogichul, all these people, their allowances, their salaries, Casto, for avoidance of doubt, unfortunately, these are the employees whom ndalo mane gimiyogi a contract kata barupe mane omigi before employment. So this is illegal. Employment Act states very clear kaka termination of contract onego bedi. It is not unceremonious. It is not after 9 months of no pay.
Okang mane muchano kao kaka riwruok mar KMPD wach